I'm glad you're here today. I'm glad you guys are well. And I am going to show you today how to make another type of dumpling. These are filled with turkey sausage, spicy Italian turkey sausage, and cheddar cheese. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Chop up about 2 whole links of spicy Italian sausage into big chunks and get your pan ready, preheated nonstick pan to cook your sausage. Place your chopped spicy Italian sausage chunks in your preheated nonstick pan and cook until the sausage is done. And begin to pull the sausage out of the skin so that it starts to look like ground beef in the pan. Once the Italian sausage is cooked and separated so that it looks like ground beef in the pan, we're going to begin to season it with low sodium tamari sauce. And we're going to put about a splash of that in the pan with the sausage. And then we're going to add rice wine vinegar, another splash of that to the pan. And finally, we're going to add some sesame oil to the pan. And we will mix that around to evenly mix in the seasonings. Make sure everything is coated with those seasonings. And we'll continue to cook it for a few minutes until it's all thoroughly mixed. Then we're going to add some coconut sugar, just sort of like a pinch of it. A pinch of it is added to cut the acidity and balance the flavors. Then we're going to add 2 stalks of scallions to the mixture just to give it a pop of color and flavor. And we're going to give those a rough chop. We add the scallions to the pan of sausage and we mix those together thoroughly. Then we're going to set everything aside and let it cool. Once the meat cools off, we can begin to assemble the dumplings by adding a half a teaspoon of the turkey sausage with shredded cheese, and we assemble all of our dumplings and get them ready to fry up in the pan. After that, we're going to get the pan ready. We're going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pan, and we're going to begin to pan fry the dumplings. We're going to cook them on either side for a few minutes until the wonton wrappers are golden brown. I like mine to be well done, so I cook them until they're a rich golden brown color. So that's it. We've cooked all the dumplings and look at how delicious they look. Nice and crunchy and golden brown. The filling is already cooked before you even put them in the wrappers to fry. So really all you're doing is browning up those wonton wrappers. What a delicious treat. Oh my gosh, yummy. So yummy. Those dumplings are delicious. We had those dumplings as an appetizer with the rest of a nice little summer backyard meal, and they were a hit. You gotta try them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad you guys stuck with it. Thank you again for joining me and for being here today. Thank you for being a part of this, and make sure that your life is filled with blessings. Bless yourself, pray over yourself, and a whole bunch of yummy dishes. Okay? See you guys soon.